fireworks. Nice. Nice. And also, I think I did one of these last year as well. So,
I went right into the feet.
but this time I have a much better camcorder.
Whoa.
Bam.
That was a good one. Right,
Probably the
sparklers.
Yeah.
Right.
That falling down.
Feeling it?
Yeah. It just falls into the feet.
Sparklers.
Right, keep them away from your face and everybody else's face.
Alright, I'm gonna bring mine around this way then. Alright.
You still holding that right there?
Sparkler. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nice.
Right, write your names and stuff. in the
I've got an ugly red glove on.
big end.
Ugly.
Yeah.
But it works. Oh, mine's out. Is your one almost dead? And the fire dies out.
It is. Okay.
Right, you ready?
Yep.
Ready for a big fountain?
Right then.
I'm going for a pee.
We got an enchanted fountain. I'm scared this might be like what we're doing.
It's not right.
No, what's
Not in the middle of the path one, just said it
Wait,
in the
what's the
corner.
fountain? The fountain, the fountain, quick.
You guys probably can't see crap of this.
No!
Nice.
Right. That's
Stay back, man.
I know. I'm just getting ring view.
so cool.
Just getting started.
Nice. I think I saw in the box of this as well. Stay at least 8 meters away. And I think we're well out that. Awesome.
Oh, it's on fire!
It's Dragon's Breath.
It's on fire!
Of course it's on fire. We've got fire in the name. Fireworks. The works of the fire. Awesome.
It's going on fire! It's kind of fire.
It's still not done. Yeah, well, it definitely is quiet, isn't it? Make sure to get it all in shot. And it's still going.
Got these, done it?
Oh, not in shot, there we go. I'm looking at it in real life, just making sure I have it in the shot. Damn!
That's awesome.
That was so cool.
Very cool.
And watch it die out. Blah. And it's dead.
Another wizard on
I'm pretty sure I know the dad.
It's just another sky wizard, Mom.
Oh my god!
That was the highest sky wizard.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's still falling.
Blah.
Nicely.
Is that it done?
You guys want one more sparkler, please, man?
Sure.
Or you want one more?
Sure.
I'll bring one out.
Mom,
Nice.
the sparkler
Well,
turned from
yeah.
giant to still giant, but slightly shorter.
And then dead.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. And for the last few weeks or so, I haven't been uploading. I apologise for that, and I will be kicking up the upload speed soon.
Right, everybody ready?
So
Wait, I've still got a sparkler in my hand, a dead one. Where did I put it?
Put it on the floor, it's fine.
oh, I put mine down ages ago.
I didn't want mine to be white. Watch, Mum. Just got another spare here.
Thinking about adding music to this. You guys will hear it though, if there is.
Oh, spark.
Ooh. Probably not though.
Oh, thanks.
Right. Thank
Yeah.
you. So, guys, this is the ending sparkler. So,
Spare here.
nice. So, see you guys next video. Goodbye.